See, today is 20th October, Tuesday, 2020. Whereas according to cycles for 3iinfo, it is showing that there is 38 days is the dominant cycle right now. So the length of the cycle is 38 days. That means 38 trading days. So here the status is uptrend, approached, and the next low is in 23 days and the next top is in 34 days. So previously we already noted down the next low and the next top on 13th October 2020. Whereas when we created the cycle with the updated data till 19th October 2020. So in the previous day when this cycle was generated, the data was available till 13th October, whereas today, that is 20th October 2020, the data available is till 19th October. So when we generated the cycle on 13th October, then it shown the length of the cycle is 38 and the next low is in 26.85 days and the next top is in 7.85. Whereas when we updated the data till 19th October 2020, then it is showing that the next top is in 4.66 days. So let's say it is this one as 7 and this one as 4th. That means the cycle is taking only the trading days, not the holidays, not the Sundays and not the holidays. Okay. So here going back in time from today to 38 days back, then the date comes to 13th October or not 13th October. See here the difference between these two dates is 6 days, whereas here it is showing in next 4 days top will be approached. That means it is taking only the trading days, because the total days in between 13th and 19th October is 6 days, but whereas when the cycle is generated on 13th October, it shown 7.85. In next 7.85 days the top will be approached, whereas here when the cycle generated on 19th October 2020, then it is showing that next top will be reached in 5.66 days. That means the difference between these two cycles or two dates is 3 or 4 only, which means it's again confirming that it is the cycle is taking only the trading days. Now that means the trading bars only we should count. Now in next 4.66 days, today is 20th October, next 4.66 days it will reach to the peak. That means again we have to consider the trading days only, excluding Saturday and Sunday if any holidays are present. Then the date comes 26th and 27th October. So as we consider the length of this cycle is 38 days. So if we move back in the time cycle, then the date comes is 18th September 2020. But whereas we clearly know that it is considering only the trading days. So if we consider the points of the cycle started and ended according to the provided number of days, then we should take 18th at the start of the cycle and 26th as the end of the cycle if we consider 38 days. But if we exclude the weekends and public holidays, then date comes to 8th September 2020. Here you see exactly 38 days, excluding the calendar days are 14, whereas 11 days skipped because out of 11, 7 are Sundays and 4 are holidays. And I think again we should exclude 7 more days, as Saturday also it won't work. So again that means that is that comes around 7 days between 8th October and The normal calendar day here comes 1st September. So, here it is showing 7 days. That means on 1st October it should fall. Let's, because out of 11 calendar days, 7 are Sundays and 4 are holidays, and again 7 are Saturdays. So, by removing these dates, we come to September 1st. Let us see the chart. This is first fall down, 8 September. Next, draw another vertical line. This is August 27th, 28th, 31st, 1st. So, according to the 38-day cycle, then the price should fall from here, but whereas it exactly started on 28th August. So, let us calculate 28th August 2020 to 26th October. (46 days). So, 9 Sundays, yes. So, here 9 Sundays and 9 Saturdays. That means 9, 9, 18. 18 plus 5. 23 days we have to exclude. So according to the chart, when we observe, so from 27th onwards, the price is falling. So, here the length of the cycle is given 38 days, even after excluding Sundays and holidays, it is showing 28 days, whereas from 18th September. So, to get some idea, just I pick this date from 28th August 2020, from where the price started falling down. I considered this as the starting, the generation of the cycle, and the end of the cycle is 26th October, and I excluded all the Saturday and Sundays and the public holidays. For this, just before this, I selected this one only. So, when I calculated, you see the number of days in between is 46 working days. See, here Saturdays are skipped, but whereas Saturdays also won't work. So, that is why I want to customize my search. So, Saturday, Sunday, public holidays. Now, let us see exactly 38 days, and the starting day is coming Friday 28th August. See here, this is 27th August, this is 28th August. So, from 27th August onwards, it has been falling. That means the dominant cycle present here is very accurate. So, to confirm this one more time, let us check the cycle. 38 days, and I am applying here, and here let us see the entry and exit points. 27th August we have to take entry. So, let us see August 27th August. We should take entry here. But I don't think so. Here we can take entry. On 7th August we can take entry. And the exit point is 28th August, 27th August. That means one cycle is already completed here. So, yes. So it is not about entry and exit, because we are observing the cycle based on this here from uptrend to neutral. This 38-day cycle is that is moving from the starting point is the peak and the ending point is the low. So this should be, the cycle must be like this. So on 27th October, 27th August, you see this is the peak, here the peak. From here onwards it should fall till October 26th. So let's select the October. See, so till this point the price will fall down. This is the analysis for this stock, and from here onwards maybe another cycle starts, and let's apply some other composite cycles. 169, 88, 77, 169, 88, and one more cycle we will apply. The current one is 328. This is the percentage and this is the strength of the cycle. So see, the price is behaving exactly as per the graph. So here if we have taken 2.55 and we have ended here 4.0 and T, it is slowly falling down. So it's not October 26th, so here 26th of October comes here, and after that also it seems that another downtrend is there. So in this way we can apply. So this is the way of checking the cycles, and you see it is very accurate. From here onwards it has been falling. From here onwards it has been falling. That's it. This is today date, and I am uploading the new data sets. So I am removing all the previous data sets. Now this is the data format we required, that is year, month and date. Now I am uploading the same 3iinfo data. So this is daily data. Now click save. Now click on open dataset scanner. Now previously when we uploaded the data on 19th October, then it shown that on 27th October it's going to reach the peak. Now you see the cycle changed, and the phasing score is 15 and minus 40 here. Now let's see on October 27th there is no peak, and even so it is showing the next low is in 16 days, and the next top is in 42 days. Next low is in 16 days. Next top in 42 days. But whereas see it is moving upwards. Actually it is showing the downtrend. In 16 days it will reach low, but whereas the graph is showing another thing, it is moving upwards, and On the 27th November it shown it will reach the top, but whereas it reached the bottom, and now it is showing that it will reach the bottom, but whereas it is moving upwards. So downtrend means next low should come in 16 days. So to match the criteria of October 27th week, let's apply some other composite cycles like 171, 111, 63, 171, 111, 63. Two more cycles we can apply. Let's see, 60 days more accurate. Let's see, 40, 43, 40 we can take because the strength is very high. So according to this is the peak, and the next peak may come on 27th December. And this also matching here on 4th November is 2.95, and 16th July it is 2.70, whereas on 24th August it is 3.95. We applied. Okay. Now we see the next one by uploading the data. We see Mahabank. One of the important point also we have to observe here is this smoothed RSI and this general RSI. See, the general RSI is showing very much accurate. This is, here we can buy, and here we should sell. Here we can buy, and here we should sell. Let's apply the cycle days. So by applying the dominant cycle phase, we cannot get the accurate peaks and low of the cycles, but by applying the multiple cycles we can predict the graph somewhat like this. So we have to observe it.